Hi, I'm Jerry Reyes with sales at Food Warming Equipment Company. With over a century of refrigeration development, innovation seems difficult, but here at Food Warming Equipment, we take that as a challenge. With FW's AirScreen, you can keep the door open for up to 90 minutes. Offered for a wide variety of industries from healthcare, educational systems, and correctional environments to restaurants, stadiums, the AirScreen allows for quick and easy access to drinks and/or cold food to keep your customers happy. Simply set the temperature you want your product to be chilled at, and within as little as 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your environment, the AirScreen's bottom-mounted refrigeration system will get to work. Once the temperature has been reached, you can load your product. The AirScreen has a temperature range from 33 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. The AirScreen is equipped with an easy access temp recall button. The temp recall button has two uses. First is to momentarily display the set point or the actual temperature. When the unit is set to display the set point temperature, press and release the temp recall button to see the actual temperature. The display will show the actual temperature for 3 seconds and then revert back to the set point display. When the unit is set to display the actual temperature, press and release the temp recall button to see the set point temperature. The display will show the set point temperature for 3 seconds, then revert back to the actual temperature display. Second, the temp recall button is used to change temperature display between the set point and the actual temperature. Now let's move on to the various defrost cycle options. First is the Smart Auto Defrosting option. Smart Defrost is the factory default option and requires you to do nothing. The defrost cycle is automatic. Sensors on the evaporator coil read coil temperature and decide how long and how often the unit requires defrosting. Depending on usage and environment, the unit will defrost in intervals of 4, 6, 8, and 10 hours. Second defrost option is a user-selected defrost time interval. This will allow you to select defrost time intervals that work best for your operation. You can select the unit defrost time intervals from every 4 hours to every 12 hours in 1-hour increments. To activate and set your custom defrost options, press and hold the manual defrost up arrow and down arrow buttons for 10 seconds. The controller will beep and display a flashing 4HR. Use the up and down arrow buttons to set your desired defrost interval time. When desired defrost interval time is reached, press the temp recall button to accept your defrost time option. The third defrost option is a manual forced defrost. This is achieved by simply pressing the manual defrost button at any time you need to defrost the unit evaporator coil. When the unit is in a defrost cycle, you can terminate the defrost cycle by pressing the manual defrost button. The fourth defrost option is a hard defrost. This option will start a prolonged defrost cycle and should only be used in case of extreme evaporator ice buildup. You should only use the hard defrost option when instructed to do by a member of FWE's customer service staff. Another added convenience with the AirScreen is the movable tray slides. With these slides, it is possible to have tilted slides, so you will not have to stretch to reach the back of the unit. This feature provides easy first in and first out management of product. If you wish to adjust the tray slides, use a J motion to slide the hook into the desired height. Be sure to settle them down. We have engineered a unique optional feature, the space-saving sliding door. This premium feature allows you to tuck the door compactly into the side of the unit, taking up only 5 inches of space.